what's going on, everybody? Hope you're all doing well. Today we're going to check out the ZOOZEE Z70 robot vacuum and mop. I'm going to put it through a couple of quick tests, one on a thick carpet and then one on a hard surface. See how well it cleans. This has 3500 PA suction. It does have the large 5200 mAh battery, which I really appreciate. It can work on 2.4 or 5 gigahertz, which is something that's pretty new. Most robots only work on the 2.4 spectrum. Here we have it cleaning on my really thick carpet. I put down some jelly beans and some Fruit Loops for this particular test, and take a look and see how well it did. I must say, from the test you're going to watch, I'm kind of impressed with this guy. Let me know in the comments when it's done if you guys agree. What other test you would like to see. Keep in mind here, this is the first time it has ever ran, so it does not have a map yet of even this small area. So that's why the lines aren't perfectly straight. If you rerun it after it has a map, it's going to know where it is and do a much better job overall following the lines, and even doing a better job than you're going to see it doing here. So this guy is $400 on Amazon, but they do currently have a $100 off coupon, so that brings it down to $300. And that's in the ballpark area for a pretty darn good LiDAR-based robot vacuum. Now, there are some brands out there that you can get one with a self-empty bin for around $400 on Amazon, and it's just up to you if you need that self-empty bin. Personally, I love a self-empty bin. I think it's a must for me personally. But if you don't have the budget to afford the self-empty bin, $300 for this seems like a good robot based off my first test. So hopefully you guys enjoy the rest of this video. I'll do a summary at the end, and just kick back and enjoy. If you're new, please do me a favor, smash that like button real quick, subscribe. It only takes just a second, and it really helps me out a lot. So thanks a lot for that. Alright, as you just saw, it did a perfect job on that carpeted area. So I'm very pleased to see that. It did have carpet boost on and on maximum suction. So now we're moving on to the hard section here. Once again, it is on maximum suction. I put down some Fruit Loops once again. There is some rice, a little bit of carpet fibers, and then also a couple of jelly beans. So quite a big mess for this little area, but I wanted to see how well this guy would do right off the get-go. So once again, kick back, enjoy, and don't mind that sock there on the left. That's from a object avoidance test I did. I didn't realize it was in frame, but it is what it is. Alright guys, enjoy. Alright, as you can see, I did a great job on the hard floor as well, so I'm pretty impressed with this guy for my 2 quick first tests. Let me know in the comments if you like this new idea of mine. It kind of just shows off its capability on simply the hard floor here and the carpet, rather than have it clean an entire area. This just gets straight to the point and shows you how well it actually cleans. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a fantastic day, and I will see you guys in the next one. A lot of stuff coming to this channel. See ya.